Okay, if you're not sure if your power window motor is bad or if you have a bad fuse, what you do is come back here. This middle one, I have it to ground there. This middle one here on the bottom is going to be your constant power. I have constant power. Now here, that should be when you press down on the switch, that should receive power. John, press the switch and hold.
Holding.
So there you see, I have constant power. John, release.
Release.
Power goes away. John, press the window again.
Pressing.
Window's not moving. That means we have a bad motor. So if you're ever wondering if you have a bad motor or not and wondering how to test, middle pin on the bottom is going to be for constant power. And then the one to the left of it, right next to it, that'll be the one to receive power when the switch is hit. Found this video helpful? Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Helps the channel out a lot. Take care, everyone.